Queen IFRIKA or any woman that was abused by a family member or any man at all or anybody at all. Queen IFRIKA, I want to tell you how deeply sorry I am for my ignorance and my vulgarity, my vulgar behavior towards you as a person, not knowing that your abuse was this touching and real. You understand? Because some of the time I was just there being ignorant, just saying things because it is there to be said. But I am very, very sorry, ma'am, about saying what I ever said about, you know, you being touched by your family member. You understand what I say? Especially your father. I am very sorry, and I hope you can forgive me ignorance. You understand what I say? And I never know that happened to you, and I'm very, very sorry. I'm so sorry about that. You understand me? And I'm very sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I hope you can forgive me and continue to be strong and hold up your head. You understand me? So sorry, ma'am. So sorry.
Good morning, everyone. I had the opportunity to see Queen IFRIKA's live this morning. IFRIKA, more power to you. You're a very strong woman, and I rate you for that. You know, the woman, I relate her story, you know. And a fiction is not opinion. She's relating her story and how she has been dealing with it. And to see how some of you want to diminish the woman's experiences. Were you there? Were you there? This is why persons who have been done wrong oftentimes don't speak. The pervasive nature of rape and incest in this country is something that is often swept under the carpet when many persons are walking around traumatized, not wanting to face what they have gone through for fear of being ostracized, for fear of being trampled on. And you have many of you who are out there protecting these people who cause trauma to many persons who are walking around, male and female alike, who have been done wrong. And some of you relish this kind of trauma. And for some people, they don't speak about it because of fear. Because some of you feel like when something happens, it ought to be immediately spoken about. Some persons are not able to come to grips with it at the time that it transpired. Some persons, when it happened, even if they do speak, again, you diminish it. I want to wipe it away or make it seem as though they're fabricating stories. In some instances, fabrication could have taken place, but there are many instances in which this is not true. And many persons, for speaking the truth of their story, are blacklisted and never get a chance to prove themselves. For some people, they're only able to speak about the trauma that they've endured and continue to endure years after. Because when it transpired, the pain is so deep that they're only able to deal with it in stages. And perhaps this is one of the reasons we have certain illnesses in our society. Because the trauma resides in our cells and affect our DNA and affect the way we express. But when it is you wish to ventilate, people cast a cloud of judgment on you. It would do you well to do some introspection. It would do you well to try and understand from the other person's story, experiences. For many persons, the pain is so deep that they're unable to go inside to do proper introspection and instead engage with a lot of externalities. Because to face that pain is almost like reliving it. And some people relive it daily, hourly, by the minute, by the second. And this is not a joke. You can choose to blame it on many things. But the fact is it happens and continue to happen.
The devil a try replace God, boy. I don't come go on like I don't see the devil a try replace God, boy. And the whole I have Andre, it's like a half-dead batty boy. But disrespectful and I have nothing about him. All when time me still vex with him and I try say, alright, you know what? I'm not going to judge you because of your circumstances. I'm going to still hear you out. You still a come from your bumbo clock like a space a come call me Jezebel and I come talk who fuck you and turn you now your turn. Show about the predator them. Come call their name because me about to call some blood clot name. Me about to break some silence about upon some people. I no care because guess what we have facts to back it. You see me? Frogger Benz, me want to tell you yes right now publicly so me a burn you. Because I'm not sure what your agenda is. Me say yeah, from the time me call on a name and ask say we need to sit down and have a talk, none of you no reach out to me. You Spragger, you reach out to me, you tell me say you're there Jamaica, you tell me say you're there country I deal with a vibe. When you finish, you go call me. Me no hear back from you. You're busy over Andre page I give him charity and busy over and me I watch all of who Andre Stevens are big up. Because me they telling us say keep an eye on Andre Stevens and me still a telling us say keep an even firmer eye on Andre Stevens. Because him is the portal where them have. We are going to lead to who know the masses. Because they don't have no...
When your mother get the CXC results.
Really?
Go on in, man. Be gone. You're afraid? You think me idiot? After me years, me forgot to take on. Not even one me can manage, you know. Sure.